from the organization, we like to congratulate the Meghalaya police who have done the tremendous job regarding to nab the culprit who have been involved in this murder case of Raghuvanshi, that which have been alleged that Sonam Raghuvanshi has been involved. So from the organization, we congratulate the Meghalaya police, and we want that all those culprit involved should be brought into the law. They should be punishable, should be punished as per the law. As we have seen that, it is really, we as a state, we have been condemned by so many comments even in the national news by so many viewers. So actually now the truth has been revealed itself, that we as a state or as a community, we are a loving peace community. So I do think that this kind of incident, it should be an awakening for the state government, that we as a state, we should regulate or have our own policy regarding the coming of the visitors into our state, or going of the visitors from our states. So this is what we from the organization, we do felt that it is a high time for the government, as long as still we are await for the implementation or the approval of the implementation of the ILP from the central government. The state should formulate or should exercise the so-called MRSA Act, which have already Principal Act 2016, should be implement immediately, so that these kind of incidents so far should not be occurred. We would like to give our thanks to all the people who involved in searching for these victims when this crime occurred. We could have seen even from the people of locality, the tourist guide, even from the mountain climber association also, they have put their heart and soul for doing the giving their hands with regards to the to search for these victims. So this is what we like to send a message from our organization.